أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة لأهل التقوى واليقين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين خاتم النبيين بالقاسم محمد
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد
وآله الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين لا سيما بقية الله في الأرضين روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفدا واللعنة الدائمة على أعدائهم أجمعين من الآن إلى قيام يوم الدين. أما بعد فقد قال زين العابدين عليه الصلاة والسلام عمتي أنت بحمد الله عالمة غير معلمة وفاهمة غير مفاهمة. صلاة الله.
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
I've chosen a statement from the words of Imam Zainab Bint for Hazrat Zainab Kubra, as it is 5th of Jamadil Ula, which is the birthday of Hazrat Zainab Kubra Sallam Allahyari. One of the greatest personalities in the history of creation, not only just in this universe, but entire all the worlds that we know and we don't know. And she is not only just beloved to her family, but to all the people in this world who have any iman, who have any faith, will respect her because of her stature and also because of the contribution in saving Islam. I was going through a book that talks about her titles, and one of the titles is Aqila Bani Hashim, and I want to talk about this title. Just a few minutes in English and then I'll transfer to Urdu. Aqila Bani Hashim. Aqila is from Aql, and there are different levels of Aql. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if you look at all the hadith books of the Shia world, we begin our books of hadith with the chapter Aql and Ilm. The most important chapters for us are Aql and Ilm, intellect and knowledge. Our Imams alayhi salam say the criteria for finding out Iman is Aql and Ilm. The closer you want to become to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and the Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam, the better you need to become in your aql, using your wisdom, intellect and your knowledge. And Hazrat Zainab Kubra is known to be Aqila Bani Hashim, Aqila. Now, Hazrat Zainab Kubra is Aqila, Imam Hussain is Aqila. What is this time marbuta at the end? This is not to describe that she is a feminine, that Aqil and Aqila will be feminine. I just want everyone to pay attention. Aql is wisdom or intellect. And it is one of the greatest gifts of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Man utiya al-hikmata faqad utiya khayran kathira. The Holy Quran says whoever has been bestowed wisdom, they have been given a great gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Faqad utiya khayran kathira. They have been given enormous goodness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Aql is one of the greatest criteria, and the Imam Muslim have said, do not praise a person until you do not judge their aql. And today, through our aql, we judge that Ahlul Bayt alayhi were better than any other people in their time, and hence they deserve to be the imams, and we do not follow the other people. We follow the imam of Ahlul Bayt alayhi. What is this aql? Sometimes people do not have this quality of aql or wisdom. And sometimes they do have it, but on and off. They sometimes have acts which are based on aql, and sometimes they have acts which are not based on aql. Then they possess aql, but they are not fully aqil. When you are aqil, which is a sifai mushabbaha, like Kareem, then you possess it at all times.